I decided to do a little mukbang for y'all. So this is from Wing Spot. I keep on getting it mixed up with Wing Stop. Wing Spot. Y'all really can't see me. I want y'all to see me. Let me see. Yeah, okay. So I got their #1 combo special. It comes with a Philly cheesesteak, 6-inch fries, and 6 buffalo wings. I got the flavor honey garlic pepper. They don't even look like any sauce on them though. Guess that's how they go. Let's try them. Everything smells really good. I've been craving a cheesesteak. So let's start. Okay. Pretty good. Where's that fork at? So, I don't know if y'all ever heard of Wing Spot, but I haven't. Let me know if y'all know about Wing Spot. Y'all not gonna be able to really see the food. I'm sorry. Yeah, I can see it going with my mom. So, as y'all know, this is the day before I leave for my trip. I did an outfit of the day for y'all. I'm going to the movies to see the Invisible Man. Fries is good. I got blue cheese. So this whole thing was $12. And you get a canned fruit punch, or I could have got a fountain drink. But I was getting an Uber, so I said, just give me the can. All I had to eat today was a yogurt. What else I had? A couple grapes and a yogurt. That's it. I've been out all day. I'm getting my nails done. I got my toes done. So, color on my toes too. This color is called Caribbean Island. Suits me well. All right, let's try these. I don't like how they look. Well, I guess that's the pepper. But this is how they look. It look like it don't have any kind of sauce on it, but I guess the sauce is what's down here. Let me slide it in this sauce. It's supposed to be honey, garlic, pepper. So I guess they just put regular honey. I just thought it was going to be like saucy. So let's see. Y'all know how I am about my wing. That's good. Sweet and tangy. You know, I'm a flat girl. I don't care for drumsticks. I would eat them, but I don't care for them. And one of my mukbangs, I think it was Chinese food, whatever I was eating. Somebody said, why are you talking too much? I said, because I love to talk. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all prefer me to talk while I'm eating for story time or something like that, or just talk, or just be quiet. I just feel awkward silence while I'm eating. The celery kind of soggy. And I love celery. Yeah. Celery soggy. They gave me more drums than flats. They only gave me 2 flats. Why they couldn't just make it even? You want to bite with a meat at? I'm not really a fried person unless they got cheese on it. But when I do get fries, I like to eat my fries first because I don't like the way fries taste once you heat it up. So I try to finish my fries and then eat everything else, but I get full like that. But they gave me a lot of fries as y'all could come. A lot of fries. I say that, I'm gonna say my only other flat. They good, but I think they cooked them too long. They're really good though. Sweet. I taste the honey. I taste the garlic. I don't taste too much pepper though. When I was younger, I used to get tonsillitis a lot. Tonsillitis, however you pronounce it, tonsillitis. It's inflammation of your tonsils. And my lip and my gums swell up as well. And that's what I'm experiencing now, right before my trip. It's like it's tender. Like my gums right here is so tender and the roof of my mouth is tender. I'm gonna rip this little piece of bread on too. There's no meat on here. Everything is good. I tried them again. They got a decent menu. They sell about everything. They got burgers and everything. My first time trying them. So good. Alright. See, that hurt. That just hurt. The roof of my mouth. So before I leave for vacation, I be scared to eat stuff because I be thinking, I don't know, I be thinking something like now, the roof of my mouth hurt, I be thinking like I'm gonna lose a filling or something like that because something always happened. One time while I was on vacation, I was eating buffalo wing, bit into it, my darn filling broke. So my mouth was so tender the most of the trip. I was on a ski trip. So I got this fear. You know, I shouldn't think like that, but I do. And I just hope I don't get sick. Like today is really nice. I was on a dress and I just had on my leather jacket. I had on my boots and stuff, but when I got my toes in, I changed into my slides. And when I was waiting for my Uber, I was waiting outside for like a couple minutes. And I just had on my slides, but it's still winter. So it was raining outside. It was like damp. It was raining earlier. But it was like damp out there. I can't wait to enjoying my birthday vacation. Stay tuned for lots of I cannot talk, vlogs, pictures, and all that good stuff. I don't know when I'm supposed to do though. And my birthday probably be long gone once I post it. And when you pick up your food while you're in there, when they call you, they have it open for you. They open it for you so you can see everything you have. I like that. Or so you can put whatever you want on it. But I didn't really look at the wings. If I would have looked at them, I would have asked them about the sauce. But I guess it makes sense. It's honey, garlic, pepper. It had pepper on it. This is honey that's in here. And I guess the garlic is on here. I just, you know, when you expect something to be saucy, it's like a dry rub. And I love sauce. But it's good. It's different because I never had that. I always get honey barbecue or lemon pepper or spicy tangy, honey tangy, something like that. But I never had honey lemon pepper. Honey garlic pepper, rather. I had lemon pepper. I still gotta edit that outfit of the day video. I gotta edit this one. I like to have all my videos edited before I leave. Even though I have so many videos scheduled to go up before these will even touch. I've been getting really off this, you know. I've been filming my bedroom. This looks so tacky. I got tissues in front of the camera. Y'all can't really see the food. This is probably gonna be the worst mukbang ever. Mukbang. I think the correct pronunciation is mukbang. Mukbang. Now I'm getting full. I'm gonna finish that cheesesteak though. I really don't care if I finish the fries. You know how you're really hungry and you think you can eat anything, then once you start eating good food. That's why they say, if you don't eat anything all day, at least try to eat some bread or something so when you do eat, you don't get that, you don't get full fast. It's okay getting full, but you don't want to get full too fast. This one, I might not eat it. It's big. I do not like big. First of all, I don't care for drums. And then this one it's not really big, but it's big enough. I don't know. If I get hungry enough later, I probably will. But as of now, I'm not eating it. And one thing I don't like drums. Then I got nothing to do. I don't know why they're telling people to get me off that. A lot of people don't know that you can do that. If you only eat flats or you only eat drums, you can ask them, like, can I have all drums? Or, not to be too selfish, I usually say, give me half and half. It depends. Well, I say all flats. So good. Ooh, I love Minute Maid fruit punch. It's so good. I got tissue stuck, the napkin stuck to my hand, my finger, because the honey is sticky. I wonder if when I do mukbangs, do my regular subscribers watch me? Or do people from the mukbang community come over here? I wonder. I usually don't get a lot of comments when I do mukbangs, but people be watching, but I don't know who's watching. You know, because my regular fashion style or newbies from the mukbang community. But I appreciate who's ever watching. Because I know a lot of people, when they're so used to you doing like hauls and fashion out for the days, then you start eating on camera, they're like, what you doing? We not used to this. But if y'all ever looked at my channel, it says you can expect anything. You can expect me to do anything. My channel is not in one category. I didn't want to box myself in one category because I'm so versatile. You never know what to expect with me. So you never know what's my get. One, I can't just do hauls all the time. I'm not rich. It can get kind of boring just showing your outfit all the time as well. So you gotta switch it up, switch things up, switch it up. Good. Not the best cheesesteak, but it's good. You said, did I want a chicken cheesesteak or beef? I chose the regular beef. That's how much fries I have, because I have all those fries left. I'm not going to eat them. I'm full. And I have this left. So I might roll this in here. Well, this is all the honey that's, honey. Put that in here. And head this to trash. So that was quick, y'all. I got my blue cheese. So, just that one wing, little drumstick that's left. And that's how the honey look. I don't know if y'all can see, but that's all honey. I'm gonna just let that lay on there so it can just marinate down. So that's it. That completes my mukbang. Some wing spots. Oh, that's so good. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. And if you like it, please like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done this already. It's nothing in here. I'm steady trying to get it out. And I'm about to drink me some Crystal Light. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see what I got from Wing Spot. Not Stop, but Wing Spot. Leave me a comment. Let me know if y'all like mukbangs and who's watching these videos. Is it my regular fashion dolls? Who's watching me eat? And let me know if you ever heard of Wing Stop. Oh my God, Wing Spot. That's gonna get me. Have you ever heard of Wing Spot? Not Wing Stop, Wing Spot. Do you have one in your area? Until next time, love you guys, ciao. Buy my fashion dolls. Bye.